So first we're going to look at how to install the Quickstart demo using an Edge browser. It's a Gmail client, and we're looking at your welcome email. It will look something like this, maybe a little different, but the bottom line is click on one of the green buttons that says download your demo, and up there in the right hand corner you can see that it's downloading. And once you see open file, click on that and the Windows installer will start going. Click yes, and now the installer will start to install. With Chrome, it's going to be a little different. So now we'll go how to download the Quickstart demo from Chrome. So with Gmail again, in a Chrome browser, same email, click the download button and it starts downloading down in the lower left. And once it's complete, Chrome is going to say this type of file can harm your computer. Do you want to keep it anyway? This is because Chrome doesn't know which software publishers are trustworthy, whereas Windows and Edge do. So you're going to say keep. Once you do that, click on Quickstart demo. You're going to see this screen. Click yes, and it's going to start loading the installer. Click next, accept the license agreement, install it. Click next. This is going to be checked. Open Quickstart guide and Nuke Reporter demo system folder. So close it, and this Quickstart demo Quickstart guide is going to come up. And basically it's got a whole bunch of instructions if you want to print it out, which will show you how to create your first report. But we actually recommend that you just click on this link and go to our knowledge base, which will have all kinds of articles on where you can learn how to use your Quickstart demo and all the features of the Nuke Reporter. So I'm just going to close this. I'm going to minimize that. And what the installer does is it installs this folder on your desktop, Nuke Reporter Quickstart Demo, and it opens it, which is here. So this right here is your Nuke Reporter Quickstart Demo template. That's where you're going to experiment with it and learn all the features. The additional materials folder, if you open that up, there's the license agreement in there. There's the Quickstart guide PDF if you want to look at that again. Some sample reports with some headers we've designed for our clients, some stress worksheets, one nuclear, one just exercise tolerance test. Feel free to use those in your lab. And there's a little welcome video from me, Jim. I'm the founder. Just kind of introducing myself and explaining the Nuke Reporter a little bit. Thanks for watching.